What's up guys, here's how to adjust the content maturity settings on Roblox to make the platform safer and more age appropriate, whether it's for your child or yourself. Step 1. Log into the right account. If you're managing a child's Roblox settings, sign into the parent account that's linked to the child's profile. If you're adjusting your own settings and you're 13 or older, you'll need to verify your age using a valid ID to access more mature content options. Step 2. Go to Settings. On desktop, click the gear icon in the top right corner and choose Settings. On mobile, tap More, which is found on the bottom right, then tap the gear icon for settings. Step 3. Open Parental Controls. Once in Settings, head to the Parental Controls menu. If multiple child accounts are linked, pick the specific child account you want to update. Step 4. Access Content Restrictions. Scroll through the settings and select Content Restrictions to manage what content is visible. Step 5. Change the maturity level. Tap Content Maturity and choose the level that fits, whether it be minimal, mild, moderate, and restricted. This is only available to verified users age 17+. Don't forget to save your changes. Step 6, which is optional, block certain games. Still in Content Restrictions, go to Blocked Experiences to manually search for and block specific games you don't want the user to access. Important reminders: kids under 13 can't choose the restricted level and might need parent approval for other content filters. These settings help Roblox recommend games that match age-appropriate labels. Accessing restricted content requires age verification with a government-issued ID. Be sure to follow Roblox's official guidelines to prevent accidental restrictions or moderation issues. YouTube and legal compliance. This guide respects both YouTube's policies and Roblox's platform rules, providing safe and educational steps. It does not promote hacking, bypassing, or illegal behavior, and is focused on child safety and digital compliance. And that would be all for today's quick guide. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.